Oh my god! I'm so scared and nervous. Because I am afraid I am gonna get grounded. I have to get out of this house before I get
busted.
Oh crap. I'm so busted.
Oh crap. I'm so busted is right. Good choice to say that word. Good job, dude. Oh my god! Donkey-brained 127 IQ mentally ill ginger-haired jackass Pico. How dare you clog up the toilet? Now there's no toilet. As the one downstairs is damaged, and thanks to you. Now everyone will have to piss and crap themselves. And now I'm gonna have to call Rooter to unclog and fix the toilets. You know what? That's it. You're grounded until you get therapy for your mental illness. Go to sleep now, you donkey-brained jerk. Do not escape from your room. You punky moron.
But boyfriend, I'm sorry.
Nope, no sorry, because you didn't do it on accident. It was on purpose. So, apology denied. Just go to bed. You gosh darn donkey-brained dingbat.
I hate you! First, you ground me. Second, you call me a donkey-brained dingbat. And third, you call me a punky moron. I hate you, stupid cyan-haired moron.
I hate you too. You son of a biscuit. You're trying to be a winner. You try hard. Try harder next time. Loser, you dingus. Yeah! And also, how dare you call me a cyan-haired moron? You are now grounded for another year. Anyways, I'm leaving now. Goodbye! You are watching the Friday Night Funkin' channel,
where your favorite gameplays, sitcoms, etc. are on 24/7.
The date and time is February 20th, 2023 at 9:30 p.m. Up next is nothing. For the past 25 years, the Friday Night Funkin' channel has been serving Newgrounds on analog cable, analog antenna on both VHF and UHF signals, digital cable, digital antenna, and satellite. We will be rebranding at 11:30 p.m. to the Newgrounds channel. Now for the schedule for tonight. Babe, can you do the final schedule for tonight?
Since it's the last time I'll do this. Sure, after this we will be going on our final commercial break. At 9:50 p.m. we will go on our final Seefax. At 10:30 p.m. we will air our final airing of Pico Gets Grounded. At 11 p.m. we will sign off with God Save the King. Then the rebrand will commence at 11:15 p.m.
Now that we're done talking, we will now go on our final commercial break.
Hi, I'm Scott and welcome to Walmart. Energizer batteries are now on rollback at $7.97. Only at Walmart.
Hello, and welcome to FNF Motors. Creating high-quality cars and trucks since 1953. Now you can buy a new 2023 FNF Motors Alaska TDI starting at only $21,000 Newgroundian. Only at your local FNF Motors dealer.
Hello! Classic Caillou, otherwise known as Caillou or Classic Caillou, here. And I would like to tell you that 20th Century Pro Seefax, the creator of this video, is proud to celebrate 140 subscribers on YouTube. Now it's time to play the song I have on my phone. Happy 140 subscribers to Pro Seefax. I hope you hit 200 subs soon. This is Classic Caillou, signing off. Well, it's the end of an era. Seefax will be signing off on this channel forever. But don't worry. Seefax will return on the Newgrounds channel at 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Now for our final airing of Pico Gets Grounded.
Babe, my older brother gave me his 1988 Ford F350 with a 7.3 IDI engine. I am going to fix it up and get rid of it, because I don't want it. Also, the engines are known to be number 1, hard to start, and number 2, unreliable.
That sounds great, honey.
Why did you get a 1988 Ford F350? They look ugly as hell. When you could have gotten a 1995 F350 with a 7.3 power stroke, or maybe a 1992 Chevy C3500 with a 6.5-liter Detroit diesel V8.
Well, too bad. I didn't get any of those. So either deal with it, or go to your room. You asshole!
Fine. I'll go to my room. I can't believe that boyfriend got a 1988 Ford F350 when he knows that I absolutely hate the 8th generation Ford trucks. Oh, look at that piece of shit rust bucket eyesore. Hell. Even the neighborhood homes look better than that piece of junk.
Pico. Girlfriend and I are going to the auto parts store to get new parts for my truck. Don't do anything bad, or else you will be grounded. Is that clear?
Yes, boyfriend. See you in a bit.
See you in a few. Bye.
Now that boyfriend and girlfriend have left, time to steal the truck. Now that I got in the truck, I will now start it. Now that I started the engine, let's drive it around the block for a bit before I crash it into the neighbor's house. Now that I'm finished test driving it, I will now crash it into the neighbor's house. Oh, shit! The truck is headed towards my house. Oh no! It's gonna. Hi! Welcome to AutoZone, where you can buy any car part except for cars that don't exist no more.
Hello. I would like to buy these parts for a 1988 Ford F350 with a 7.3-liter IDI.
You seem to be the ex-boyfriend of the street rat. But anyways, your total is $399.99.
Here you go, sir. My phone is ringing. It seems to be from the neighbor. Hey neighbor, what seems to be the problem?
That schizophrenic weed-smoking bastard of yours just crashed the 1988 Ford truck I was going to help you fix into my house. Please come and ground his ass.
Oh my god! I'm coming home right now.
Be quick so you can ground that penis.
See you in a bit. Bye. Mr. Employee.
Yes, dude? What seems to be the problem? And also, my name is Funny Boy Robbie, or Robbie Robinson, not Mr. Employee.
Pico just crashed my truck into our neighbor's house. We need to get home now. But before I do, can we get a refund?
Oh hell, no! Refunds are not accepted.
Give me a refund. I'll leave you a tip.
Get out! Before I call the police.
Pico, did you crash the truck me and the neighbor were going to fix? You have 5 seconds.
No. I didn't do it.
Time's up.
Oh my god! Donkey-brained 127 IQ schizophrenic weed-smoking desert toad-licking school-destroying reckless jackass named Pico. How dare you crash the 1988 Ford truck I was going to restore with the neighbor into his house. Those trucks in good condition go for $35,000 to $50,000 Newgroundian. That's it. You're grounded for 1 2 3 4 9 2 4 5 8 9 9 9 3 4 5 6 7 3 5 6 6 6 2 4 6 7 4 2 8 4 8 9 2 8 3 8 5 9 1 8 4 8 8 3 8 3 3 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 years. When we get back to our house, your ass will go to your room and never come out ever again. You piece of crap. Why does the world have to be this way? Just why?
Well, this is it. The time is 10:50 p.m. We will be playing the national anthem at 10:55 p.m. and then we will sign off at 11 p.m. Then we will sign on the Newgrounds channel at 11:15 p.m.
We hope you had a good 25 years with us. Goodbye.
Preview.
Oh, hi again. We're back. Just with a new name. Anyways, we are now called the Newgrounds channel. Our first broadcasting schedule will be
At 11:20 p.m. we will air Pico Gets Grounded until 3 a.m. tomorrow. Then we will switch to paid advertising until 6 a.m. At 9 a.m. we will have our first Seefax. And at 11 a.m. we will air some FNF mod gameplay videos.
Now that we're done talking, we will now air Pico Gets Grounded episodes. Hello! It's been a while, but it's me, Fox. I would like to say thank you for 140 subscribers on YouTube. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And also, subscribe to Lucky Duck Cereal. But anyways, goodbye!